please prepare the tools as shown in the picture before unpacking. First, unfasten the buckle of the wooden case in the way shown in the video. Please use tools to disassemble it to avoid getting injured. Make sure there's enough space around the wooden case. If enough people, just undo the bottom buckles of the wooden box. In other cases, unfasten most of the wooden case's buckles. The scrubber will be packaged and fastened to the wooden case base to avoid damage from bumps during transit. After unpacking, you can see the accessories just like those in the video. Unscrew the 4 bolts beneath the seat by hand without using any tools. Then take the whole seat off. Take out the wires inside E100 model. You can touch the battery's positive or negative terminal alone, but never both at once to prevent short circuits and electric shocks. Take out the individual wires and connect them to the battery. Red to the positive terminal, black to the negative one. Then connect the other side of the battery in the way shown in the video. The following video shows the way to connect the battery of the E130 ride-on floor scrubber. After connecting the wires to the battery, start the scrubber to check if it's connected properly. After starting the power, don't touch the accelerator to avoid the scrubber moving and causing danger. After confirming that the connection is successful, reinstall the seat. Also, we need to remove the 2 brushes below. Avoid the scrubber getting stuck during unloading. Just hold the brush and quickly twist it from side to side to remove it. After that, unscrew the fixing bolts of the rear wheels on both sides. Put the triangular unloading plate on the base of the wooden box. On the side, close to the front wheels, hold the steering wheel with one hand and gently press the accelerator with the other hand. And slowly move the floor washing vehicle out of the base of the wooden box. Please note, don't sit on the scrubber while driving it off the base to prevent danger. Then, align the positions and quickly turn the 2 brushes from side to side to install them back in place. Then install the curved scraping wiper onto the bracket. In the way shown in the video, you must tighten the bolts firmly to prevent the curved scraping wiper from falling off during use. Finally, connect the suction pipe to the squeegee. The squeegee and bracket assembly is factory calibrated to optimal performance and ready for immediate use after installation. How to adjust the squeegee and bracket assembly when prolonged use causes blade wear or reduced cleaning efficiency. Always engage the squeegee system before making adjustments while the machine is powered on. Then lightly press the accelerator pedal to move the scrubber forward a short distance. Next, we'll inspect the properly adjusted squeegee and bracket assembly against operational criteria. During operation, the squeegee blade must maintain a 45-degree angle to the floor surface as demonstrated in this video. Next, visually inspect the suction ports on the opposite squeegee blade assembly. With the squeegee depressed, suction ports should expose approximately 50% of their apertures. Excessive exposure of suction ports will significantly compromise vacuum efficiency. Complete occlusion of suction ports will result in total vacuum failure. The squeegee bracket regulates downward pressure over the full assembly. First, rotate the lock bolt counterclockwise to release tension. Rotate the adjustment lever, CCW, to pivot the assembly outward. Increasing blade angle exposes more suction port area. Rotate the lever clockwise to pivot the assembly inward. Reducing the blade angle decreases suction port exposure. Reminder, always engage the vacuum system and drive forward a short distance before adjustments. When uneven contact persists on side sections despite proper central adjustment of the squeegee assembly, adjust the caster wheels to fine-tune contact on either or both sides. First, rotate the caster lock bolt counterclockwise to release its tension. Rotating the caster bolt counterclockwise raises the wheel assembly. Reduced blade angle decreases suction port exposure. Rotating the caster bolt clockwise lowers the wheel assembly. Increased blade angle exposes more suction port area. After verifying alignment at all reference points, confirm the adjustment is optimized. Securely torque all lock bolts on the squeegee bracket and casters. Relentless precision. Premium materials. Pioneering innovation. Ellerine creates enhanced living through superior cleanliness.